Tired of feeling like the new kid on the tennis court? You know the feeling. You hit one great shot, and the next one sails straight into the fence. What if I told you that you can forget spending months feeling and looking like a total beginner? In this video, I'm sharing 5 simple secrets that will have you looking and feeling like a seasoned player, and you can start using them today. Think of this as your ultimate cheat sheet to completely transform your game. Secret number 1, your gear is giving you away. The first secret to looking like a pro has nothing to do with your swing. It's your equipment. Walking onto the court with a racket meant for a pro is a dead giveaway that you're a beginner. Most beginners grab rackets that are too heavy or have a tiny head size, forcing them to swing with all their might just to get the ball over the net. The secret isn't a more expensive racket, it's a smarter one. You want to look for a racket that's lightweight, somewhere between 9 and 11 ounces, with a large head size over 100 square inches. A go-to classic for a reason is the Head TI S6, which has a massive 115 square inch head. This huge sweet spot is way more forgiving, meaning even your off-center hits will feel and look cleaner. A lighter frame gives you an easier, more fluid swing, which instantly makes you look more relaxed and in control, all without changing a single thing about your technique. It's the fastest way to look the part. Secret number 2, stop swinging like a baseball player. The biggest mistake that just screams, "I'm new here," is taking a giant, wild swing using only your arm. It looks clumsy, it's inefficient, and honestly, it's why you're making so many errors. Pros look so effortless because their power doesn't come from their arm. It comes from their body. The secret is the unit turn. This is a game changer. Think of your torso, shoulders, and arms as one solid piece. When the ball is coming, your first move isn't yanking your arm back. It's turning your entire upper body away from the ball. A great trick is to keep your non-hitting hand on the racket as you turn. This forces your shoulders and hips to coil together. This creates a compact, efficient backswing that looks controlled and powerful. You'll go from flailing at the ball to flowing right through it. Master the unit turn, and you'll immediately look like you know exactly what you're doing. Secret number 3. Your feet are glued to the floor. Ever feel like you're hitting the ball flat-footed? Or you take one huge, lunging step that throws you completely off balance? That's a classic beginner habit that locks you in place and makes every single shot harder. Pro players, on the other hand, look like they're dancing on the court. Their secret? Happy feet. They are always making tiny, constant adjustment steps to get into the perfect position. Think of a duck on the water, totally calm on the surface, but paddling like crazy underneath. Those little steps are what keep you balanced, ready, and athletic. And let's be real, this is nearly impossible without the right shoes. Proper tennis shoes are built for quick side-to-side movements and will help you stay light on your feet without rolling an ankle. So stop planting your feet and start moving them. You'll instantly look more agile and dynamic. Hey, if you're already feeling more confident with these tips, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It tells me you're getting a ton of value out of this, and it really helps the channel grow. Secret number 4. You're squeezing the life out of your racket. When things get tense or you try to muscle the ball, the natural reaction is to clench your hand and put a death grip on the racket. All that tension shoots right up your arm, creating a stiff, robotic swing that kills your power and can even cause tennis elbow. The secret the pros know is to stay loose. On a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is the tightest you can possibly grip, you should be holding the racket at about a 3 or 4. A relaxed hand lets the racket do the work and creates a fluid, whip-like motion that generates effortless power. Having the right grip size is also key. Here's a quick test. Hold the handle and see if you can fit the index finger of your other hand snugly in the gap between your palm and fingertips. If it's too tight or too loose, your control will suffer. Relax your hand, and your swing will immediately look smoother and way more natural. Secret number 5. You prioritize power over consistency. And the final beginner giveaway? Trying to hit a blistering 100-mile-per-hour winner on every single shot. Here's the thing. Players who go for 100% power usually end up with 80% errors. It makes you look erratic and like you don't have a strategy. The secret is simple. Consistency beats occasional power every single time. See, a pro's goal isn't to hit a winner on every rally. It's to be so consistent that they make their opponent miss. So, focus on just getting one more ball back over the net. Aim for big, safe targets right in the middle of the court, giving yourself a huge margin for error. You can even practice with softer green dot balls to build up your rally tolerance. The moment you stop making unforced errors and start making your opponent run, you don't just look like a better player, you are one. All right, let's do a quick recap. The 5 secrets to instantly look like a pro are: first, get smart with your gear. Don't let your racket scream beginner. Second, use a unit turn instead of a wild arm swing. Third, get those happy feet moving. Fourth, loosen that death grip and let the racket do the work. And fifth, focus on consistency over raw power. If you start applying these 5 secrets, you'll bypass months of feeling awkward on the court. Now get out there and start playing with some real confidence. For your next step, check out our video on the 7 fastest ways to improve your serve. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson. We'll see you next time.